The road is calling, and this time it's calling in first class. The 2026 Mercedes-Benz Sprinter Motorhome isn't just another camper van, it's a rolling revolution, a 150K luxury game changer that redefines what freedom feels like. This is where German engineering meets five-star living, where adventure slices through the night wrapped in LED brilliance and handcrafted comfort. Welcome to the future of road travel. Because this isn't about getting from point A to point B, it's about transforming every mile into an experience. Let's break down why the 2026 Mercedes-Benz Sprinter Motorhome is poised to dominate highways, campgrounds, and luxury RV resorts alike. Design and exterior, executive presence on wheels. At first glance, the 2026 Mercedes-Benz Sprinter Motorhome commands attention with unmistakable Mercedes-Benz DNA. The upright grille, crowned by the iconic three-pointed star, isn't just branding, it's a statement. This motorhome means business. The front fascia has been sharpened with slimmer LED headlights and a more sculpted bumper design, giving it a modern aerodynamic edge. It's not aggressive in a muscle car way. It's confident, refined, executive, like a private jet that decided to conquer the highway. The body lines are clean and purposeful. High roof configurations create an imposing silhouette while maximizing interior space. Extended wheelbase variants stretch elegantly across the pavement, promising room for a full suite of living amenities inside. Large side windows aren't just practical, they frame your surroundings like panoramic artwork. Whether you're parked by the ocean or nestled in the mountains, the Sprinter turns the outside world into your personal cinema. Aerodynamics have been subtly refined for 2026. Redesigned mirror housings and underbody smoothing reduce wind resistance, helping improve fuel efficiency and stability at highway speeds. It's not flashy engineering, but it's intelligent engineering. And then there's the lifestyle factor. Integrated awnings, roof-mounted solar panels, and optional off-road packages with raised suspension and all-terrain tires give this motorhome serious versatility. Want to cruise into a luxury RV park? It fits right in. Prefer to disappear into the wilderness? It's ready. This is not a box on wheels. It's a mobile penthouse with attitude. Interior and technology, a digital command center. Step inside and the transformation is immediate. The cabin doesn't feel like a van, it feels like a boutique hotel suite infused with advanced automotive tech. The cockpit features Mercedes-Benz's latest MBUX infotainment system. A high-resolution touchscreen anchors the dashboard, complemented by a crisp digital instrument cluster. Voice control responds to natural commands. Say, "Hey, Mercedes," and the system springs to life, adjusting navigation, climate, or media without lifting a finger. It feels less like driving and more like commanding. Premium materials wrap every surface. Soft touch panels, brushed aluminum accents, and optional wood trims elevate the atmosphere. The steering wheel is leather-wrapped and multifunctional, giving you complete control without distraction. But the real magic happens behind the cockpit. Depending on the motorhome conversion, factory, or certified partner, you'll find a layout designed for true luxury living. A fully equipped kitchenette with induction cooktop, compact refrigerator, and stainless steel sink transforms roadside stops into gourmet moments. Cabinetry is thoughtfully designed, maximizing storage without clutter. Every drawer glides smoothly, every latch clicks with precision. The lounge area converts effortlessly into a sleeping space, often featuring a queen-size bed or convertible dinette. High-density foam mattresses ensure restful nights, whether you're parked under city lights or a canopy of stars. Ambient LED lighting lets you tailor the mood, bright and focused for productivity, warm and soft for relaxation. At night, it glows like a private sanctuary. Climate control systems maintain comfort year-round, supported by improved insulation for 2026 models. Dual-zone setups allow the cockpit and living area to be adjusted independently. And connectivity? Absolutely cutting-edge. USB-C ports, wireless charging pads, and optional 5G Wi-Fi capability keep you online wherever your journey leads. Smart control panels manage water levels, battery status, and solar input with intuitive graphics. This isn't camping, this is glamping, elevated to executive class. Performance and powertrain, intelligent strength. Under the hood, the 2026 Sprinter Motorhome continues to deliver proven, dependable power. The core engine is a turbocharged 2.0-liter four-cylinder diesel engineered for torque-rich performance. Expect output in the range of 208 horsepower and approximately 332 pound-feet of torque. That torque is crucial. It means confident acceleration even when fully loaded with gear, water tanks, and luxury amenities. A 9-speed automatic transmission ensures smooth, seamless shifts. On highways, it cruises effortlessly. On winding mountain roads, it remains composed and stable. For those seeking additional capability, available all-wheel drive enhances traction in rain, snow, or light off-road conditions. It's not a rock crawler, but it's far more capable than traditional RVs. Fuel efficiency is another key advantage. Compared to larger Class A motorhomes, the Sprinter-based platform offers significantly improved mileage, making long road trips more economical. Handling feels surprisingly refined. The steering is precise. The suspension absorbs imperfections without excessive body roll. Crosswind assist technology helps stabilize the vehicle during sudden gusts, a critical feature for tall vehicles. And while this isn't a sports car, acceleration is more than adequate. Merging onto highways doesn't feel stressful. Passing slower traffic is confident, not cautious. Mercedes engineers have tuned the chassis to balance comfort and control. It glides over asphalt, yet maintains composure through corners. In a segment often criticized for sluggish performance, the Sprinter Motorhome feels intelligent, responsive, refined. It doesn't roar loudly, it roars intelligently. Safety and innovation, confidence in every mile. Luxury isn't just leather seats and LED lighting. True luxury is peace of mind. The 2026 Mercedes-Benz Sprinter Motorhome comes loaded with advanced safety technologies drawn directly from Mercedes-Benz's passenger vehicle lineup. Active Brake Assist monitors traffic ahead and can apply emergency braking if necessary. Blind Spot Assist keeps watch over hard-to-see areas. Lane Keeping Assist gently corrects steering if you drift unintentionally. Adaptive Cruise Control maintains safe following distances, reducing fatigue on long highway stretches. And then there's the 360-degree camera system, an absolute game-changer for maneuvering a vehicle of this size. Tight campsites and urban parking lots suddenly feel manageable. Attention Assist monitors driver behavior and suggests brakes if fatigue is detected. Crosswind Assist stabilizes the vehicle during strong lateral gusts. Structural integrity is reinforced with high-strength steel construction, providing enhanced crash protection. For 2026, updated software enhances sensor accuracy and processing speed, creating smoother and more responsive driver assist behavior. Innovation extends to the living space as well. Lithium battery systems provide longer-lasting, lighter energy storage compared to traditional lead-acid setups. Solar charging options increase off-grid capability. Water management systems are smarter, with digital monitoring reducing guesswork. This isn't just about getting there safely, it's about traveling with total confidence. Market impact and price, the $150,000 question. At an estimated starting price around $150,000, depending on configuration, the 2026 Mercedes-Benz Sprinter Motorhome positions itself in the premium Class B segment. Is that expensive? Absolutely. But compare it to large luxury motorhomes exceeding $250,000 or even $500,000, and the Sprinter suddenly looks strategic. It offers high-end comfort without the overwhelming bulk. Competitors include Ford Transit-based campervans and Ram ProMaster conversions, yet the Mercedes badge carries undeniable prestige. More importantly, the engineering, safety suite, and refined driving dynamics set it apart. This vehicle targets professionals, digital nomads, retirees seeking adventure, and families wanting flexibility without sacrificing comfort. It represents a broader shift in the market, a move toward compact luxury mobility. Post-pandemic travel trends have accelerated demand for self-contained vehicles. People want freedom, they want independence, they want control over their environment. The Sprinter Motorhome answers that call with authority. And as electrification expands across the industry, whispers of future electric Sprinter variants adds another layer of intrigue. Could a fully electric luxury motorhome be next? The future feels closer than ever. Lifestyle transformation, beyond transportation. Let's be honest, owning a vehicle like this isn't just a purchase, it's a lifestyle declaration. Imagine waking up to sunrise over a desert canyon, brewing espresso in your onboard kitchen, checking emails through high-speed connectivity, then driving toward your next destination in total comfort. No airport security lines, no hotel check-in desks, no rigid itineraries, just freedom. The 2026 Mercedes-Benz Sprinter Motorhome transforms ordinary weekends into cinematic adventures. National parks become backyard retreats. Coastal highways become personal runways. It empowers spontaneity. It invites exploration. It redefines what home can mean. And, perhaps most importantly, it makes luxury mobile. Final verdict: is a true game changer? So, is the 2026 Mercedes-Benz Sprinter Motorhome truly a game changer? If luxury, technology, safety, and versatility matter to you, yes. It merges the sophistication of a Mercedes-Benz vehicle with the practicality of a motorhome. It delivers confident performance, cutting-edge safety systems, and an interior that rivals boutique hotels. It's not the cheapest option, it's not the largest RV, but it may be the smartest balance of freedom and refinement currently available in its class. In a world craving flexibility, this motorhome feels perfectly timed. It doesn't just follow the future of travel, it helps define it. And that's powerful. Don't forget to subscribe. And which feature impressed you most? Let us know in the comments.